So right now this is a big one, the one I'm showing you, and it's currently closed, but this is how it looks from the back and the inside, how it looks. That's the big one. So that's what we're going to do to make the smaller ones, similar to that. So what I did is I went to Lowe's and I bought these big pegboards. So these pegboard, the one I bought actually, are the big brown ones with a white background on them. Or you can buy the all brown, but I wanted to try how the white would look, and that's how the gray looks. So the pegboards come in 4 feet by 16 feet. So they cut up these boards into 4 feet by 2. So I got 4 of those pegboards, and then I cut them even further into halves. So then after they do this at Lowe's, after I got these cut up, what I did is I just painted. I used paint, and the paint that I used is this one right here. So you just have to make sure that it's not all water-based, because the pegboard can get messed up. Once I was done painting them, now what we're gonna do is we also bought boards. So there's all different kinds of boards, and some are more expensive than others. So these here were they were more expensive. They were by the foot, and all you need is for the small one, so you need the 2 by 2 of those pegboards, and then you need 4 boards, 2 that are 2 feet long, and they're color wood. Let me show you. They're color wood, but I painted them white. Then you also need 2, because you need 4 in total. So 2 that are sized 2 feet, and then 2 that are 22 inches and a half. That's easier for me to explain it that way. However, I do want to show that I did buy a cheaper kind of wood, and the paint, as you can see, it's very different. It's not as smooth as the other one. So depending on the type of wood that you invest, that's how your paint will turn out to look. So now that we have our 2-foot boards and our 22 and a half, we need 2 of those. We're going to nail them on the board.